Bryan Daniels, a native of Greeneville, Tennessee, holds a BS in Communication and Computer Science and an MS in Manufacturing Engineering Technology from ETSU. When Bryan graduated from Greeneville High School, he was selected to participate in the National Youth Leadership Council in Washington, D.C. He credits this program as the catalyst for his interest in government policy and politics. During his time at ETSU, Daniels was involved in several student organizations, including Tau Kappa Epsilon Fraternity, where he served as president, the Student Government Association's President's Cabinet, President's Pride, Omicron Delta Kappa, Order of Omega, and others. Serving as a member of the Tennessee Intercollegiate State Legislature was one accomplishment in which Daniels is very proud. In 1997, he co-authored a bill that was recognized as the top student bill, which became legislation carried by Senator Rusty Crowe, which was adopted into law. After his undergrad, he worked as a graduate assistant for ETSU student activities as the Greek advisor, which later became a full-time position. Bryan credits his ETSU mentors, Dr. Steve Bader, Dan Emmel Sr., and Dr. Ray Thomason, for much of his success. ETSU alumna Eleanor Yoakum hired Daniels for an internship working for Governor Don Sundquist. He was assigned to the Tennessee Department of Economic and Community Development under Bob Parson, another fellow ETSU graduate. This opportunity would set Daniels' career path. He later transitioned to the Nashville-based firm Barge Wagner, Sumner, and Cannon as an economic development planner, supporting East Tennessee and Southwest Virginia communities in economic expansion. In 2001, Bryan began his distinguished tenure with the Blount Partnership, rising to president and CEO in 2010. Under his leadership, the partnership, which unites the Chamber of Commerce, Economic Development Board, Tourism Development Authority, and Chamber Foundation, has facilitated the recruitment of over 90 companies and more than $4.5 billion in capital investments, generating over 18,000 high-wage jobs. He also co-authored the new Local Tourism Authority structure, recognized statewide as a best practice. Bryan is a certified economic developer, certified chamber executive, and a graduate of several additional prestigious institutes. In 2025, he was elected the first chairman of the International Economic Development Council, representing all 50 states and 28 countries. He also serves on the U.S. Chamber's Committee of 100. In addition, Bryan teaches economic development principles and planning for the U.S. Chamber nationwide, teaching chamber operations for the Tennessee Chamber of Commerce's nonprofit management school. His expansive list of accolades includes ETSU's Business Hall of Fame, Top 50 Economic Developers in North America, and many others. Active in his community, he's held numerous board and leadership roles in regional organizations, hospitals, and educational foundations, including a remarkable service to our National Alumni Association's Board of Directors, in which he held several officer positions, including president. With deep roots in his community, Bryan continues to shape regional and international economic growth and policy. He is the son of Tom and Joyce Daniels, class of 1967, husband of Kimberly Graham Daniels, class of 1997, and proud father of future Buck Thomas Graham Daniels. Congratulations, Bryan T. Daniels, 2025 ETSU Outstanding Alumnus.